Welcome to Help Me GMP. Have you ever wondered whether medicines could be made where they're needed most, like in hospitals, clinics, or even a patient's home? Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: the UK's unique world-leading approach to decentralised manufacturing. We'll explore what licenses are required and what it means for marketing authorization holders for this type of manufacture and for patients. Decentralized manufacturing is a revolutionary approach where medicinal products are manufactured closer to the point of care, such as hospitals, clinics, or a patient's home, rather than at large centralized manufacturing sites. This method is gaining traction due to its potential to produce personalized medicines with very short shelf lives, such as autologous advanced therapy, medicinal products or ATMPs, which are made from material like blood cells or other tissues, collected from the patient who needs the treatment. To engage in decentralized manufacturing, manufacturing licenses are required to ensure compliance and maintain the highest standards of quality and safety. Here's a summary of the different types of license which may be required. First, the Manufacture and Importation Authorization, or MIA. This license is essential for manufacturing, assembling, or importing marketed human medicines. It requires that all activities comply with good manufacturing practice, GMP standards, which cover everything from production processes to quality control, and the requirements of the marketing authorization for the product itself. Alternatively, for medicines which do not have a product license, a specials license or MS may be required. This license authorizes manufacture of unlicensed medicines where a special clinical need exists that cannot be met by existing licensed products. The third type of manufacturing license under which decentralized manufacture could be considered is the MIA IMP license. This would be required where decentralized manufacturing involves investigational medicinal products, or IMPs. A clinical trials authorization, or CTA, would also be required. This ensures that clinical trials are conducted ethically and that patient safety is prioritized. Additionally, key personnel must be in place, such as the head of quality, head of production, and for licensed products or IMPs, a qualified person. These roles ensure that all processes adhere to regulatory standards and that the quality of the medicines is maintained. Check out our other videos on key roles in pharmaceutical manufacture to find out more. The UK's approach to decentralised manufacturing is unique due to the brand new proposed regulatory framework, a world first, to ensure the UK remains at the cutting edge of medicines manufacture and research. Here are some aspects that set it apart. First, the point of care, or POC, framework. The UK will introduce a novel regulatory framework specifically for point of care, POC products. This framework aims to support the safe development and licensing of POC manufacture, ensuring they meet the same quality, safety and efficacy standards as medicines manufactured by traditional methods in large, licensed, centralized facilities. The legislation doesn't stop at medicines manufactured at the point of care, but introduces concepts such as modular manufacture, whereby medicines are manufactured in mobile units, which may be temporarily located where they are required, then relocated without the need for re-inspection by the MHRA at the new site. Second, the integration with healthcare systems. The UK is integrating decentralised manufacturing into its healthcare systems, allowing for closer collaboration between manufacturers and healthcare providers. This can lead to more responsive and flexible production systems, better suited to meet immediate patient needs. Finally, the focus on advanced therapies. The framework is designed to facilitate the production of advanced therapy medicinal products, ATMPs, such as personalized medicines and tissue-engineered products, which may have extremely short shelf lives. These therapies often require rapid manufacture and delivery, making decentralized approaches particularly beneficial. For manufacturers, decentralized manufacturing introduces both challenges and opportunities. Here's what it means for them. First, regulatory adaptation. Where an MA holder wishes to perform decentralized manufacture, they must adapt to the new regulatory requirements set by the MHRA. This includes ensuring that their remote manufacturing sites comply with GMP standards and the marketing authorization for the product, or CTA, for IMPs. Second, quality assurance. The introduction of decentralized manufacturing emphasizes the need for robust quality assurance systems. MA license holders must ensure that their quality assurance measures are scalable and adaptable to smaller, decentralized production environments. Third, documentation and compliance. Navigating the new point-of-care framework requires additional systems and compliance measures. This includes detailed records of manufacturing processes, training and qualification of manufacturing equipment to ensure consistency, traceability, and accountability. Fourth, innovation and flexibility. Manufacturers wishing to perform decentralized manufacturing must develop a system of oversight of the manufacturing locations, operating as a control site, and maintaining relevant master files relating to each decentralized manufacturing location. Finally, there will be a significant change to the arrangements for release of these locally manufactured products. There will be insufficient time for quality control tests or qualified person certification prior to administration. This places the emphasis on in-process controls and other manufacturing parameters in order to ensure the consistency of the manufacturer's products. A decision of whether to administer the product is likely to be required in a matter of minutes following manufacture. As a result, it is likely when well-defined criteria for release are met by the starting materials and the manufacturing process, including any automated in-process control testing, the product will be released for administration. All of these complex controls will need to be well defined in the marketing authorization or clinical trial application. For patients, decentralized manufacturing can bring significant benefits. First, personalized medicine. Decentralized manufacturing allows for the production of personalized medicines tailored to individual patient needs. This can improve treatment outcomes by providing therapies that are specifically designed for a patient's genetic profile or medical condition. Second, faster access to treatments. Manufacturing medicines closer to the point of care can reduce delivery times, ensuring that patients receive their treatments more quickly. This is particularly crucial for conditions that require immediate medical attention or therapies with very short shelf lives. Third, access to innovative new medicines. By introducing this new legislation, the UK will give patients access to medicines which could not otherwise be delivered at scale across many sites. And lastly, improved healthcare delivery. By integrating manufacturing with healthcare systems, decentralized approaches can lead to more efficient and effective healthcare delivery. Healthcare providers can work closely with manufacturers to ensure that patients receive the most appropriate treatments in a timely manner. For MS license holders, the proposed legislation presents similar opportunities and challenges. First, expanded capabilities. MS license holders wishing to manage decentralized manufacture would need to expand their capabilities to include the control site requirements. This will also involve investing in new technologies and training personnel at manufacturing sites to handle decentralized manufacturing equipment and techniques. Second, compliance with the new framework. MS license holders must ensure that they comply with the new POC regulatory framework. This includes meeting all documentation, quality assurance, and traceability requirements set by the MHRA. Third, collaboration with healthcare providers. Decentralized manufacturing requires close collaboration with healthcare providers. MS license holders must develop strong partnerships with hospitals, clinics, and other healthcare facilities where manufacture will occur to ensure seamless integration of manufacturing and patient care. And lastly, innovation and adaptation. The shift towards decentralized manufacturing encourages innovation. MS license holders have the opportunity to develop new manufacturing methods, improve production efficiency, and create more flexible and responsive manufacturing systems. And there you have it. The UK's approach to decentralized manufacturing is paving the way for more personalized and efficient healthcare. This novel approach in the UK brings significant benefits to manufacturers and patients alike, ensuring that medicines are produced and delivered with the highest standards of quality and safety, whilst facilitating introduction of novel, complex medicines. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be kept up to date with more great content.